Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now we are giving what? We are going that into minus 10 all to the power of x is equals to 10. We are asked to look for the value of x. Now these questions are simple, right? Now do you know that we are not wrong? If we decide to write minus 10 as into minus 1 multiplied by 10 all to the power of what? X. Because minus 1 multiplied by 10 is same as minus 10. All is equals to what? 10. Okay? Now let's have you heard about equivalence identity? Equivalence identity is one of the aspects of mathematics, very interesting, right? Now, equivalence, there are what? 5 fundamental as equivalence important key of equivalence identity. Okay? That means E to the power what? I pi, okay, plus 1 is equals to what? 0. Okay, these are the fundamental aspect of equivalence what? Identity. They are the fundamental part of mathematics. They are very interesting, okay? That means E to the power what? I pi plus 1 is equals to 1. Equals to 0, right? 0, 1, E, I, pi. They are the 5 fundamental aspects of this, which is very, very important. So if you subtract 1 from both sides, that means this implies that E to the power of I pi is equals to what? Minus what? 1. Because we subtracted 1 from both sides of the equation. That means if you transfer this one to our right hand side, we have minus 1, because 0 minus 1 is minus 1, right? So that means E to the power of I pi is equals to what? Minus what? 1. Now, but you can see that we're having minus 1 here. So we are not wrong, okay, by obeying these properties of equivalence what? Identity. That E to the power of I pi is equals to minus 1. So we can substitute the value of minus 1 as this E to the power of I pi in place of this. So this now become what? Into E to the power what? I pi, okay, multiplied by 10, okay, all to the power of x equals to what? 10. Wow, this is awesome, right? Beautiful. Now what are we going to do? Now I want you to understand that if you have the properties of into a multiplied by b all to the power of n, it means that this power is affecting everything that's inside the parentheses. So this will be equals to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of what? N. Now if this properties is true, then this is something as what? E to the power of what? I pi, okay, multiplied by what? X multiplied by 10 to the power of what? X equals to what? 10. Wow, this is beautiful, right? Now what are we going to do here? Let's take link of both sides. Okay, let's take what? Natural logarithm of what? Both sides, right? Now that means the link of what? Link into E to the power what? I pi, okay, multiplied by x multiplied by 10 to the power what? X, okay, is equals to what? Link what? Link 10. Wow. Now let me draw your mind to one of the properties of logarithm. If I what? Log m base a plus what? Log n base a equals to what? When the bases are the same, when take a single log to that same base, because you can see that the bases are the same, right? Take a single log to that same base and do what? And you multiply, right? You multiply this term. Now you can see that this you are seeing here is in this term. It's in this term. So let's take it back to this way. So now this is what? Link what? E to the power what? I multiplied by pi multiplied by x multiplied by link what? Sorry, plus what? Plus link 10 to the power what? X, okay, equals to what? Link 10. Wow, this is pocket genius, right? Now let's also obey the properties of logarithm. Therefore what? Log m to the power of what? P base a equals to, now this power can go back to multiply the log, so it become what? P multiplied by log what? Log m base what? Base a. This is one of the properties of logarithm, very interesting, right? So this thing you are seeing here, which is the exponent, which is I pi multiplied by x, can also go back as what? I pi, okay, I pi multiplied by s link what? Link e, plus this will also go back as what? S link what? Link 10 equals to what? Link 10. Now please take note, natural logarithm are always in base e, okay, natural logarithm are always what? In base e, right? That is beautiful. Now let's remove this from here quickly, okay, so I can do what you have on the board, okay. Now from here we know that this is link e base e. Note that log any number, that means log what? Log a base a is equals to 1. And that means log e is equals to what? 1. Because this natural logarithm are always in base e, so this will be equals to 1. So that means this now become what? I pi multiplied by x, okay, into what? 1. Because link e is 1, okay. Then plus s link what? Link 10 equals to what? Link what? Link 10. Wow, this is pocket genius, amazing, right? Now All this multiplied by 1, we are going to have this I pi multiplied by x, okay, plus s link what? Link 10 equals to what? Link what? Link 10. Now, let's observe carefully. You can see that something is common, right? What is common? We are seeing s here, right? We are also seeing s here. So, we can bring s as, since s is common, into I pi multiplied by s divided by x. We're going to have I what? Pi, okay? 10 link 10, s link 10 divided by x. This s will cancel out this. We have what? Plus what? Link what? Link 10. Okay, all this equals to what? Link what? Link 10. Wow, this is amazing. Now, what are we going to do next? Remember, we are asked to look for the value of x. At this point, we divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by I pi plus what? Link 10. And divide the whole of this by what? Divide the whole of this by what? I pi plus what? Link 10, right? Wow. Now, you can see that this will cancel out what? This. Amazing. That means s will be equals to link what? Link 10 divided by what? I pi, okay, then plus what? Plus link what? Link 10, okay. Now this is the value of x, okay. Now I'm going to use another method to solve this problem, okay, because we know that square root of what? Square root of minus 1 is equals to what? I, okay. We know that square root of minus 1 is equals to I, right? So we can do another interesting thing to this question. Now look at the amazing thing we are going to do. Now I will leave this is the answer, so I will clean it from here. Now I want to show you another interesting method you can use to solve this question in very what? Simple, right? Now we know that the square root of minus 1, okay, is equals to what? I, right? That means into minus 1 multiplied by what? 10 to the power of s, or to the power of s equals to what? 10, right? And look, I can see that we are having minus 1 here, right? So this implies that to make minus 1 the subject of the formula, to take square of both sides. That means minus 1 will be equals to I square. Okay, I what? I square. All right, that's beautiful, right? So I can remove this. Let me just remove this from here. Okay, let me remove this from here quickly. Okay, but keep this answer. It's very good. This is the correct answer. Now from this will become what? Into here become what? I what? I square, right? I square multiplied by 10 all to the power of what? S equals to what? 10, right? You can see that minus 1 is equals to I square. Now, by obeying the properties of indices, that if you have into a to the power of a multiplied by b all to the power of n is equals to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of what? N. We can do it here, right? So this will become what? I to the power of what? 2x, okay, multiplied by 10 to the power of what? X, s equals to what? 10. Let's take what? Let's take log of both sides, or you can take link of both sides, okay? But let's take log of both sides. So this now become what? Link, okay, into here we now become what? Or let's take log, since it's in base 10. I see that I having 10, let's take log. So let's see log of both sides, log of into I to the power of 2x, okay, multiplied by 10 to the power of x is equals to what? Log of what? Log of 10, right? Wow, this is amazing, right? Now let's obey the properties of indices. It's logarithm, right? So if we have log m base a plus log n base a is equals to take a single log to that same base and do what? Multiply, right? So here we are multiply. So what you do, take that log of what? I to the power of what? 2x, okay, then plus log what? Log 10 to the power of x equals to, now you can see that this block is in base 10. So log 10 base 10 is 1. So here it will be just 1. Okay, that's beautiful. And this power can also go back to multiply the log as 2s log what? Log I, okay. Then this s can also go back here to become what? Plus what? X into log 10 base 10 is 1. Okay, all this equals to what? 1. Wow, this is pocket genius, right? Amazing. I love this, right? All right, now from here you can have this is now what? 2 multiplied by s log what? Log I, okay, then plus what? Plus x, okay, then equals to what? 1. Now you can see that something is common. X is here and s is here. We can factorize s out into this now become what? 2 log what? 2 log I plus what? 1 equals to what? 1. Now let's divide both sides by 2 log I plus 1 so I can have x. So we divide here by what? 2 log what? 2 log I plus 1. Also divide the of this by what? 2 log what? 2 log I plus what? 1. So this will cancel out what? This. Okay. So now see that our s is equals to what? That means our x is equals to 1 divided by what? 2 log what? 2 log I plus what? 1. This is the value of x, okay. This is the value of x, as you can see here. Okay, this is the value of x. Then another value of x is that x, by using equal identity, equals to what? Link 10, okay, divided by what? Divided by I pi, okay, plus link what? Link 10. Wow, this is Proctor Chidiness. Amazing. I love this. Now you can see that the method of equal identity and see the method of what? Complex unit. You will know that what? Minus what? Root minus 1. Root minus 1 is equals to what? A complex number, right? Which is I, right? So this is the solution to this problem. You can see that I used two methods to dissolve this problem, okay? But equal identity is very interesting, okay? Very interesting, okay? So this is an amazing solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate to like, comment, and so share it to loved ones or others who learn from this. So please, if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel so anytime we do an exciting video, you will notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you.